Yes, you need to give away free information and content to your audience if you want to make sales. I know that there is a lot of hesitation out there about giving away your knowledge, giving away the information that you worked years to have inside your head and that you probably also paid a lot of money for. But creating content and giving it away for free to your audience is essential if you want to build your business and make sales. Hey there, I'm Abby Herman with Right Solutions, and this channel is dedicated to providing you the information and resources that you need to create the content that will help you grow your business. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how and why that free content is going to drive sales. First, you need to know who you're creating content for. Where are they hanging out online? When you are targeting the right audience, they are more likely to actually consume that content. Number two, make sure you're creating content around topics that no one else is talking about. Having original content that is new will help to attract people to you because it's something different that they're not already seeing online. Number three, answer questions. Your audience is coming to you because they need information. They need something from you. So answer the questions that they have, provide the information that they are looking for. Number four, be consistent. This doesn't mean that you have to publish content 3 or 4 times a week. It just means that you need to have a plan of action and you need to execute it on it consistently. So if that means that you are creating 1 blog post a week or 1 email a week, make sure that you're doing that. If you're publishing a video twice a week, make sure that you're doing that, and then show up to respond to comments and questions. Number 5, make sure that you're creating content that makes sense for you and your business. You want to create content that focuses on what you do in your business and your core values. So one of my core values is to always have fun. So if I'm creating content that is complaining about something, it doesn't really align with who I am and what I want my business to look like and sound like. Make sure that the content that you create makes your audience think of you and remember you. Number 6, use calls to action, and that includes free opt-ins. So your calls to action tell your audience what to do next. And those free opt-ins get people on your email list so that you can speak to them directly in a more personal way in their inbox. Number 7, use internal links in your content. So when you're creating a blog post or show notes for a podcast, make sure that you are linking to other similar content within that post. That helps to keep people on your website longer, and the longer they're on your website, the more SEO traction you get, the more they grow to know, like, and trust you, and the more likely they are to buy from you. And number 8, nurture, nurture, nurture. This goes back to the consistency point, but when someone joins your email list, you need to continue offering them value. You can personalize that content a lot more if you're segmenting your list, and you can really target the right people with the right offers. Your free content is so valuable to your business, even if you don't see the ROI right away. Know that creating this content is a marathon, it's not a sprint, so sometimes it takes a little while to build that traction, but it's so important, and if you have questions about doing that, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.